Here we have for you a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI match 95 PS. Now the Blue Beauty is a stunner and it has a good spec as well, including front and rear parking sensors, an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, rear tinted windows, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot is a good size and it comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, and a Multifunction Computer Plus. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.